second frame and then struck in the third. So that's mega break, right? Because now you just turned strike, spare, strike to a triple. Well, we just did the same thing again. We threw a double, then threw it over our toe and threw a Brooklyn and a carry, and then struck in the fourth for a four-bagger. So now it's mega break.
Shop.com, not sponsored. Well, I'm not. Justin is though.
Camera's rolling. Recap, no cap. Today was a great day on the lanes for one of us.
Yeah, for one of us. Well, two of us, because Sydney bowled well too.
Yeah, can't forget about Sydney.
Yeah.
But Justin had much better days on the lanes, and hoping tomorrow is a better day.
Yep. Yesterday was really solid, and today was not. We ended with 140, and that doesn't help the score. Last time I checked. But Brandon finished third today.
Tied for third.
Tied for third. That's not a bad thing.
Justin is gonna have a day tomorrow, and you know why? Because he gets to wear a specialized jersey tomorrow, brought you by me and Matt Russo, because he lost a bet at the Masters.
I did. If you remember, we'll flash back to the Masters. Out of the four of us, has to wear a jersey designed by the other three at trials. Unfortunately, my three other betties all made the cut, and I didn't. So I have to wear a jersey at trials designed by the other three. And now tomorrow is the day that I have to wear the jersey that I haven't seen yet.
Hasn't seen yet, and it's the night before, and it is currently 10 o'clock the night before, and he hasn't seen it yet. So
And we start at 8 a.m. tomorrow.
So he's gonna see it before he bowls, and this
Obviously,
reaction
I have
is
to
gonna
wear
be
it.
crazy. You're not gonna wanna miss it, so stay tuned. But that's all for this one, and we'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.